This is the first video for NetPT. This is just the video. We're going to look at the page options that I've done, so how to change the page background. You can change the colours as well, and how to attach sliders to pages, and I'll do a separate video on how the sliders actually work. So to start with, I've logged into netpt/wp-admin, so I'm on your dashboard page. Okay, so to show you what I've done on your pages, if you edit a page, you've got some new options at the bottom. So you've got page title, which overwrites the main page title. You've got a tick box to say I want to include the slider on this page, and then you've got which slider you actually want to show on that page, which we're going to come back to. There's a new sliders options for you to make your own sliders, so you can just add a new slider, upload your images. It determines how big it needs the image to be. It resizes it for you as long as it's bigger than the space that it's going into. And I've also given you, bottom left, you've got some options, which is your what we call theme options. So to start with, this video that I'm creating will appear there. This is just the last one I created for White Lane. You've got your general information, so you can upload a new logo. This is your web background, how the background works, and there's a few advanced features at the bottom, removing the password from the login screen. You can actually remove the login screen, so you can just log in through Facebook, which just makes it a bit more secure. You can also change the colours, social links, which is where I put your phone number, email address, and whatever else. And then I put in some advanced sharing links as well, so you can determine what picture gets shown when you share it on Facebook. So if we start at the beginning, go to your options page. Obviously this video will be embedded into the how to use page. The general tab just allows you to change the logo, which you can just click add or upload file, choose the logo that you want to choose, and then use this file, and that's basically what will be shown. At the top of the website. And obviously the background, this was the main thing you wanted to change next, but you can change your background, just choose add or upload, choose the image you want, use this file. The bigger the image, the longer it's going to take to render, obviously. Save, and that's the image you get as your background. The option you got on the image is basically how you want the image to work, so whether it's fixed and tiled, not fixed and tiled, or full image background. So if it's just one full image, you just want it as the image, whereas if it's a repeatable pattern, like a little square or whatever else, you can just say I want it fixed, so as the page scrolls, so does the background, or not fixed, so does the opposite. Obviously got your login logo and login background, so basically when you actually log into WP-admin, you can choose your logo in the background for that page as well, and how that background works. I'll add in your Google Analytics data there, but I think it's embedded in the page anyway, so I don't think it needs to be there. And then a couple of advanced options at the bottom. Disable the login form, which allows you just to log in through Facebook. Disable the password as well, and then you can use advanced SEO features, which opens up a new box in your pages, so you can choose kind of a different image for each page as it's shared on Facebook and Twitter. We've also got the colours of the site, which obviously you can change the main page background if you didn't have an image, the main body font, the main headings font, and all your link colours options down on the left. You can change all the colours of them, and you can change the main body font as well. I know you've been customising it to be purple and whatever else, and that's fine, you can still do all that. Your social links is just pretty simple. I've just added your email, phone number, and your Facebook address, which is basically where all this information comes from. So if your phone number changed, you can just change it here, and that changes it at the top of the site. And then, like I said earlier, you've got share options, which if you just want to add, this is the OG code, Open Graph code, and called a Twitter card, and a G+ code, which basically gives, when a website is shared onto Facebook, it tells it what to drag, what title to bring, what image to bring. You can kind of tick that and say, right, when it's shared on Facebook, you want to use that, for argument's sake. Let's go back to that one. As your main image, so when it is shared on Facebook, that's the image that people will see when they click on the link. Okay. So next video we'll just do a quick video on how to change the sliders, add a slider and add it to the page you want.